Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. Or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm glad to have everyone. So today I'm going to show you some diamond paintings. They come to us from Outdoor Tide. So let me first of all thank Outdoor Tide for letting me pick out a few things. And let me tell you, if you're new here, this is just one of the things I do. Unbox diamond paintings, show you progress, show you finishes. I love to talk yarn and crochet. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons. And books is another thing I love. I do a book discussion every Tuesday night with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. So I hope you find something here you enjoy and you come back and watch more videos. But today let's talk about these diamond paintings. Let's get to them. I got some good stuff here. Are you ready? Let's just start with this little cutie right here because why not? Why wouldn't we start with this one? So they all come with a toolkit, has wax and a pen, and look at it. It is a dachshund. I mean, could I resist getting a dachshund? No, I could not. I couldn't resist it. It's a little Halloween witchy dachshund. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. It's got 9 different colors. It's a 30 by 30. Got some pretty good wrinkles in it. I would iron this for sure before I worked on it. But anyhow, it's adorable. Let's look at the drills and see what we get. Yep, when I saw that, I was like, yep, that's coming to my house for sure. All right, drills. Let's see what we have. So, rhinestones. We have gold, orange. We have some black drills, purple rhinestones. This is like a gray. That's our rhinestones, okay? Then we have our special drills. Gold faceted marquee, little gold balls. We have some gold stars. You got a gold star today. And these beautiful purple iridescent faceted rounds. So you can tell where the stars go. Stars go here and on the hat. And the marquees will go on the pumpkins. Super cute. Super, super cute. I love it. All right, so that's my dachshund painting. My little doxy. All right, next, I picked out this guy. This is another animal I love. I don't know if I talk about it too much, but tigers, they would be my favorite wild animal. And I love them. Love them. And look how pretty that is. I absolutely loved all of the color in this, how there's water and there's sky and there's sun coming through like the trees and this cute little tiger cub just sitting there in the water lilies, just having a great old day. Love it. This one has, looks like probably 8 rhinestones and 3 special drills. Legend on both sides. All right, let's look at the drills that come with this one. Oh, those are really pretty. Oh, wait till you see these. I like when I get a little sneak peek and I see something I like. See something I like. Okay, here we go. We have at first I thought that was clear, but it might be. It almost was taken on a hint of a color, but maybe not. Could just be clear. I don't know. Very light lime green, a very pretty pink, a light orange, a dark orange, and some black. This is definitely blue. Got a blue hue to it. And this is brown. Look at these. Look how pretty those are. Those are very pearly, iridescent, pretty. Love those. Then we got some itty bitty gold ones. Those are cute. And little pink teardrops. Super cute. All right, so the little pink teardrops will go on the flowers. And it looks like the white ones are going to be, like his little toes. There's a couple there. Cute. I love it. All right, so those are 2 canvases that I got. I'll link all of these below so you can go check them out and get one for yourself if you love them. And then, of course, I always say good things come in boxes. This is a unique item. I'll just say this is a unique item. Okay, so same toolkit. There's our drills. Here is our base plate. There's a film on both sides. Peel off the film off both sides. We got all these slots. What do we do with those slots, you wonder? Well, we'll put these guys in there. We're going to put these guys in there. Aren't they cute? Little snowman. So this is advertised. They call it a paper towel holder, but it's shown with napkins in it. So it's advertised as a napkin holder. I can't get it in here with all the extra plastics and stuff on it, but one will go there and one will go here. Now you can put whatever you would like in here, right? So you have your little space there. If you want to put napkins in it, you go ahead and you put napkins in it. I'm thinking it looks like a great place to put like release papers. You know, they come in those envelopes. Put them in there. That'd be a good place to store them. Better than I have them right now. But you can store whatever you want in there. You can store envelopes. You could put your mail in there. You can do whatever you want. It does not have to be a napkin holder. All right. So there's two. That one's in there. There's two of them, one for each side, and both sides get drills. And there are these cute little snowmen. I love that. There's a ton of these now. When I first saw them, I saw a few different varieties, and now there are just a bunch of different designs. So if you don't like the snowmen, just check around because you will find a little bit of everything. Okay? No legend with these because you just look at your bag of drills and match it up to the object there. All right, what do we get? Some really pretty blue rhinestones. Those are gorgeous. And some pretty teal. Love those colors. Pink and another teal. That's it for our rhinestones right there. These are our special drills. Those are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That iridescent coating on them, they are just beautiful. Picking up all kinds of colors. Then we have a little marquee. Then we have some red round faceted and some little tiny lime green teardrops. I would not have expected that, but that's very nice. This is really pretty. I like the colors and everything in this. So like I said, a unique object. You can use it to store whatever you would like. I really think it would work great for the release papers in those envelopes. Just stack them in there. I think I'm going to give it a try. All right. And there's our paintings for today. So that's what I have for you today. Like I said, everything will be listed below. So you can find things quickly and easily. And if you want more of those, there's plenty of them out there now. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. And I hope you come back and watch more videos and hit the thumbs up button if you liked my video. There's always a super thanks option below if you want to give a video a super thanks. And I'll see you guys next time. I hope you have a great day. Bye, everybody.